Hey everybody, this is Ingram Engineering with a video update for the second half of May. I wanted to give some news about the EQ52 equalizer, what we've got. But before I do that, I wanted to give a quick introduction to that for the folks who might be new to the website or not familiar with EQ52. It's one of the newer products that we have. It's a 500 series equalizer. And what it has is a set of filters. The first is a low cut filter. Second is a seesaw filter. And the third is a high cut filter. And low cut and the high cut are pretty self-explanatory, and they do what everybody is familiar with. But one of the key differences is that these filters have super wide ranges, not typically found with filters of this type. So that you can do some really creative things with a mix and apply it in a lot of different ways to different instruments. But the real secret with the EQ52 is the seesaw filter, which literally acts like a seesaw in that you can cut certain frequencies while you boost others, and then you can rotate a knob and you can have it do the opposite. It's the similar to the Baxendale type filter, which people might be familiar with. But as we always like to add some improvements or new features when we introduce a new product, these filters are sweepable. So you can take the pivot frequency of the filter and you can slide that over the audio range. So it is a really powerful tool with a relatively simple user interface that'll let you do some really nice things to a mix. And it's set up so that there's two ranges, and you can control the range by pressing the switch right here. It'll go from a low range to a higher range. And then what you can do is you can sweep the frequency of the pivot point using that knob, and then you can also sweep the amount of boost or cut with the knob above it. So it's a really powerful and great tool for tracking or for mastering also. It works super well on a pretty wide variety of instruments. So with that being said, the news for May here is that it's an interesting and sort of good thing, but we're sold out right now. We've sold out of stock, and we're in the middle of a new build, and it'll be available soon, but not yet, so we expect sometime here before too long. In the meantime, what you can do is you can get on a notification list for when it's going to be available again, and we can send you an email and let you know. We'll post that info and a link for notifications on our website and also Facebook and Instagram. And that's pretty much it. So, it's been one of our best sellers. It turns out to be a great tool that pretty useful. So we're kind of happy that it's being received and it's sold out, and we're working pretty hard to get more of them in stock. We'll do our production build and have another batch ready as soon as possible and make it available. In the meantime, we'll hope to make some more videos talking about some of the other things we have in the works, and look forward to that. So until then, goodbye.